Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we have an update for Google Chrome, which is the weekly update. Once again, the blog is not releasing any information about security fixes, so we have no idea if there are or not. Technically, usually they do say. The log that I looked at mostly talks about different little bug fixes within the browser. So if you go into the upper right corner, 3 vertical dots, help and about Google Chrome, you're moved to version 142.0.7444.134.135. And this, of course, is what it seems to be, only bug fixes of all sorts, including some internal changes. One of them that I noted, it was about internal change on the check for HTTP versus HTTPS, things like that. So basically no security fixes in here, really just bug fixes. That seems to be the case, and I guess these will be moving on to the Chromium browsers at the same time also. A lot of them probably are common to all browsers. So nothing to worry about from what I see. It will update itself anyways. If you use Chrome all the time, it updates itself automatically. But I like to talk about it when there are security flaws to make sure everybody knows about them. And sometimes there's 0 days and, you never know. So, well, it looks like this week, no security flaws to fix. So that's, I guess, good news, as security flaws are the number one way that bad guys actually can hack into PCs and get access to personal sensitive data. So updated Google Chrome weekly update with just what seems to be some bug fixes. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.